Today we're going to be talking about how you can lock cells and protect an Excel spreadsheet. So here we just have some random data that's entered here in columns B through E. And right here we have a sort of lookup setup. So we have whatever you put here, it will display the revenue there. So for example, if we change this to West Fargo, it's going to automatically update that revenue field. We want to lock or protect every single cell except for these three, because we want someone to be able to go in and change these to get a different revenue result. However, we don't want them accidentally deleting or changing any of this data or this formula here. So in order to lock cells, what you need to do is select everything you want to be locked. So in this case, it would be all of this data along with this right there. Or, since in this case, we only want to leave these three cells unlocked, it would be easier to select the entire worksheet by hitting this top left corner, right-click, and go to Format Cells, and then go all the way over to Protection. Make sure that this locked is selected, and then hit OK. So all of the cells are locked. However, we want these three cells to be unlocked. So we want to select the cells that we want someone or other people to be able to change, right-click, go to Format Cells, and then unselect Locked, and then hit OK. Now we have one more step here, because obviously if we go here, let's say we wanted to change this to 2026, it's going to let us do that. It really isn't locked yet. So what we need to do is go to the Review ribbon and then go to Protect Sheet. And it will have this little pop-up box. And just make sure that these two are selected. Now if you wanted to protect your worksheet in other ways, such as you don't want people to insert columns or rows, you can select those as well. But we'll just leave these two selected. Then at the top, it's going to ask you for a password. You don't have to put in a password, but I'll just put one in here and I'll just type password and then hit OK. Then it's going to ask me to re-enter the password, which is password, which we just made. And now my worksheet is protected. So if I went back to this cell and I was like, oh, I want to change this to year 2026, it's going to say, hey, you can't do that. This is protected. You're not going to be able to make those changes. However, if we go into one of these three cells, let's say we want to change this to Bismarck, it's going to allow us to do that. But if we try to type here, it's not going to let us do that. So that's how you can lock and unlock cells, along with how you can protect an Excel spreadsheet. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe before you go. That actually really helps me out a ton. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.